Are you selling your products globally and don't know how can you expand your global business? Or are you still selling locally but you still want to know what is the opportunity in global selling when it comes to e-commerce? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways of how to sell globally for your e-commerce brand. So basically अगर आप देखोगे तो most of the businesses that do marketplace business, जैसे आप कोई products बेच रहे हो, generally people start with Amazon, right? Amazon USA, Amazon Europe. But do you know there is so much more potential, so much more market, and so much more demand on other marketplaces which you are not capitalizing? There are many other portals which are having tremendous amount of opportunity with less competition that can actually help you expand your global business. So Amazon.com is one of the ways, right? Amazon.com पे आप आपका products बेच सकते हो, आपके fulfillment हो सकते हैं, and you start making a lot of more sales and money with Amazon. That's one global business. Second, you can also start selling on Etsy. Yes, Etsy is another growing market in Amazon USA where exactly you can sell the same products जो आप Amazon.com पे बेच रहे हो, you can same products you can list on Etsy and start getting a lot of sales. Now Etsy generally is for handmade products or anything which is made out of hand. They generally promote those products. Now in Etsy, the good part is that there is not much of the advertisement required to get sales really fast, and it is also the second largest sales engine after Amazon. So it's an amazing opportunity. And the good part is you can actually have 100 inventory, let's say in Amazon's warehouse, and you don't need another warehouse to fulfill. Whatever orders you get from Etsy, Amazon can ship it for you as well. That's called multi-fulfillment channel. So the second way is Etsy. Start listing on Etsy as well, and Amazon can do the fulfillment for them. The third best marketplace right now, which is growing like crazy, is Walmart. If you know Walmart पहले सिर्फ retails में था, right? उनके पास बहुत सारे retail chains थे जहाँ पे वो products एकदम cheaply available करते थे. But what happened when Amazon came into the game? Amazon destroyed Walmart. Almost 60% of the Walmart stores got shut down because Amazon grew so fast and so many people wanted fast delivery, free delivery, convenience, prime benefits, and Walmart had to shut down 60% of the business. उसकी वजह से they took a conscious call and took everything online. Now you see Walmart is also online and they are promoting Walmart to the next level. Currently Walmart पे बहुत कम competition है. Easier to get started without ads. You can scale very fast. And again with Walmart, you can now ship all the products from Amazon to Walmart whenever you get order. So if you're not listing on Walmart, you're literally missing out on a huge chunk. And if you see their annual reports, they have grown almost $10 billion in just 1 year in the online selling. The third marketplace is Walmart. The fourth is called as Wayfair. If you go to Wayfair.com on Amazon, it's very popular. When you see Wayfair.com, you can sell furnitures, you can sell kitchen utensils, and they sell like hot cakes. Again, very underutilized market, huge potential, huge demand. Right now is the right time to actually get your products listed on Wayfair.com. And again, whenever you get orders, you can fulfill through Amazon's multi-channel fulfillment. So let's say अगर आपको कोई order आ गया, तो आप Amazon पे उसका order create कर सकते हो and automatically Amazon will ship the inventory. तो आपको 10 warehouse लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, आपको इंडिया से ship करने की जरूरत नहीं है. One location, but you can fulfill from almost all channels. And the last one is again the most original, the first. It's called eBay. eBay is a great platform. If you have items which are not selling, for example, you can list it on eBay, you can put it for auction, it sells very easily. Again with eBay, you can do, it's very easy to actually advertise on eBay, not much advertisement required organically. If your price is cheaper, auction is good, product is good, amazingly you can list on eBay. And again, when it comes to fulfillment and delivery, Amazon's multi-channel fulfillment आप use करके eBay में भी आप sell कर सकते हो. तो ये 4 नए प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे जब आप सेल करोगे, आपकी सेल्स ऑलमोस्ट 30 to 40% इंक्रीज हो सकती है विदाउट एनी डाउट, if you do it correctly and you are using the multi-channel fulfillment that will reduce your cost to the next level. And the last and the final piece is you can also set your own website and you can list all the products that you're already selling on Amazon.com or any other marketplace. और जहाँ पर आपको वेबसाइट पे ऑर्डर्स आएंगे, you can actually use again Amazon's multi-channel fulfillment to fulfill all those orders. So one marketplace can fulfill all the marketplace orders. At the same time, you can sell in 5 different marketplaces in the US, earn in dollars, and that can increase your sales and profits as well. If you have liked this video, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content and comment below which of the marketplaces are you currently using in your e-commerce business.